Steak, no.
Creative juice.
Creative juices, man.
What's up? It's your boy. I'm at the airport, just landed. Make my way to the ferry. I just do that shit on my own because they trying to charge me $43 to do that shit. So you already know. I'm about to just do it on my own. Peace. Catch a jitney, B. Yo, what's good? Just got down here. Cost me $10 instead of $43, what they were trying to quote me as. So I just started walking, catch a jitney, 10 bucks, get to the ferry, take the ferry, bam! Now I'm here, stoked. Look at this, I'm about to go to the beach. Peace. Your boy out here in the woods. I'm fucking lost, bro. I have no idea where I am. No fucking idea. But the stars are fucking sick. Check it out. What's good? Day 2 in this beat. I'm just trying to still get used to driving on the right hand side, but you should be driving right here. You got this bad boy. It's cool. Look at my rear view mirror. Look at that view, and this shit is beautiful. So this is basically the beginning of the causeway that connects Middle Caicos to North Caicos, but we about to cross it, baby. So we finished the causeway. Now we're on Middle Caicos. We're at Mudjin Bar and Grill. This is the famous beach. Oh, these waves are heavy set, man. These are crazy. Look at this. This shit is nuts. I think it's pretty good. But we'll check it out.
Fucking hell, Captain. I don't think we're gonna make it. I think we've hit shore.
In case you're wondering, I'm wearing my, believe it or not, this is a Kenny Chesney hat. Gangster as fuck, you know what I mean? And then I got my sunglasses right here, LL Beans. They were my grandpa's. We going old and country today, baby. We got Indian caves. That's it, me and Natasha going into the Conchbar Caves.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna need those stock shit.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, welcome to the Conchbar Caves. These writings on the wall here will put in reference of the past workers that worked here in the early 1900s. They were mining guano.
Okay.
Yeah, they got about 10 feet of them.
Holy.
They sold them to other countries.
No, Batman. Yeah, see, he knows.
This room here is the darkest room in the cave. Okay, we can turn our lights off for just a sec.
Yeah.
And you'll see. That's how we knew that they were here. They found human skeletons.
What?
Yeah, some of them died and their body remained in the cave.
Man, I'm out here kayaking in these goddamn waves and shit. I fucking lost the GoPro, man. I gotta do this shit on the phone, so I can't be on here too long, but I'm gonna need a new GoPro. It's like somewhere. I'm gonna miss that GoPro, man. Ay, pinche fucking. Yeah, I've been looking for it. I looked everywhere. It's gone. Story of my day. It was on the kayak. It was like kind of rough coming in. I fucking tipped the kayak and I hit this pretty big wave. The GoPro came off. I've been like combing the beach with my feet and my hands, but it's sandy, so you can't even see anything. still gotta make it a ways. All the way down there, I gotta go down there. Oh, so what's good? Just got the camp. I think I'm gonna camp here. Paddle for like, what, 5 hours? 6 hours? Non-stop? And stuff out of the, can you see that? I don't even, whatever. Oh shit, what lizard, bro? Woo! What up? Bam! Put a couple of things, got the fire. That's the tent. Just set him up. Can you see that? Look at this. That's camp right there. As you can see, ain't nobody out here for miles, dude. Yeah, baby. Got my light on. About to eat good today, bro. Look, Spam, pork and beans, bro. But I ain't got a spoon, so you know how your boy's gonna do. He's gonna eat it with the shell, bro. Basically, you know, you started here. I started over there up on the left-hand side. Coming up here at the first point, which is Major Hill Road. Kayaked up this channel out to that point, crossed here. That first pin is where I lost my GoPro. And then I came down here and camped right here on the left side. Next morning came out and then ended up docking into these mangrove docks here for the end of the trip. Got back from the kayaking trip, everything's G. We down here at Wade's Plantation. Look at this, all these rocks right here that go along. This was all just brought here. Check this out, this is the well where Wade used to get all the fresh water for everything. This next part, this portion was all the stand-up paddleboard. So basically drove out all the way across to basically the other side of the island. Actually a couple islands. So you cross the causeway, go to Middle Caicos, and at the end of Middle Caicos there's a place called Wild Cow Run. And from there, stand-up paddleboard, camp overnight. It was beautiful. I mean, this is definitely a much more lower impact camping and not as extreme as I went last time. But it was good fun, man. It was fucking awesome, bro. And let me show you what I got. Back. I'm gonna take the Canon out on the paddleboard. We're gonna see what happens. All right, let's go.
You take me higher when we start colliding, but I can't go higher than I can't confide in. You got me stuck in a fucking position. You take me higher, but you take me higher.
Stand up paddleboarding.
This is Camp 2. You ain't get my Doritos this time, bitch. Yeah, that's what I thought. Out here we got the beach.
You could take me higher.
Set up camp, got a campfire going, was feeling relaxed. It was nice to kind of just wind down after a long day and take some night pictures. Mess with the camera, do some bulb shots, write my name with the lights, go in between the plants, just kind of mess around with the different exposures and the f-stops and the ISOs and really try to get acquainted with my camera. It was a lot of fun, man. I mean, really relaxing night. I couldn't ask for more.
I've got my own set of problems and
What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's your boy Alex Das. I'm out here, Turks and Caicos, on Wild Cow Run on the east wind side. I'm about to paddle out for the morning, about to get me some protein, drink some of my protein, get some vitamins, and then I'm gonna get moving. It's a little past 7 right now, the sun is rising. It's a beautiful day. Check this out. Yup, well, a little later than I wanted to be, but that's all right. Dude, I can't stay in one place for too long. Ow, sand flies bite like crazy. I gotta go, peace.
Yo, so it was a beautiful morning. I mean, the sand flies, they're pesky, but it was fun. Ended up paddling out that day, actually out to Joe Grant's Cay. Saw some manta ray and some nurse sharks, actually. I think reef sharks right below the paddleboard just came within 2 feet. Lots of fish, it was gorgeous. What's up, it's your boy, back with the Kenny Chesney hat and the goddamn grandpa glasses. But yo, I'm tired. Carry all that, the surfboard, the paddle, those bags, all the way back to the other side of those trees, back to the car. I'm done at this location, I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna get up some food. Cause I can't live off of just Doritos for one night, like the small snack bag, not even a big bag of Doritos, like the 50-cent ones. So that's what I'm going off of right now, and some protein and vitamins. And I'm feeling good. We about to drive through this for like 45 minutes. And I'll see you in a minute. Peace.
We at Indian Caves right now. I came the first time with my GoPro, but you know that story. Looks like they made these stone walkways out of coral, you can see right there, so that's pretty cool. Jawada Indian the cave and another one. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yo, so what's good? We had Indian Caves.
Okay.
Just one big cave with a couple of the crevices on the top that come down. The last caves at Conchbar Caves was crazy. Sister Nancy was telling me they have this snake tunnel and it goes like 4 miles in all the way to the sea. I got one more paddle for the day. I'm gonna head back. This is it, man. Indian Caves, baby. Peace.
Find it's only your imagination again.
Yo, so I know I lied. I brought the camera with me on the paddleboard, as you can see. No waterproofing on that.
Actually really nice, and you know, on the way back returning the rental car so I could hit the ferry, go back to Providenciales and catch my flight back. I stopped, took photos of a bunch of the abandoned buildings, you know, left on some of these the islands that are less populated, and it's beautiful. I mean, a lot of stuff that just gets built up and doesn't get finished. It's a resort that's basically got the foundation and some of the structural stuff up, but that's it. I took the ferry back, it was beautiful, and once I got back there, I met a friend at Big Blue, who owns kind of an outdoor excursion company, and ended up staying there for a couple of hours, helping him out, and there was actually a fishing competition, which was pretty dope, so kind of saw that and taking film and documenting kind of the catches of the day. I guess there's like an annual fishing event that happens there, so that was kind of nice, and then made my way to the airport.
Damn, I missed my flight, baby. Kind of pissed off. I came in early on the islands, can't be that bad.
And that was it, man. It was beautiful. Had a wonderful time, and you know, hopefully I'll do it again. But until then,
Stay with me now.
I'll see you. Peace.
Stay with me. Stay for a while. Stay with me, girl. Raise from your silence. You're still.
I got bitten alive by the same flies, bro. That's just on the inside of my feet, man.
Stay for a while. Stay. I'm still very much alive. I ain't died yet. Right here.
That's it. Oh my goddamn, good thing I got this next street right here. Alright. I'm out. Peace.